Hello friends, illustrators, painters, students, visual artists of all stripes. I am one of you. My name is Blair Drawson, and I have been doing a number of videos demonstrating certain discoveries that I've made over the course of my career. And I want to share them with you. So what I do in the video is I convert one of these into one of those. Maybe a painting and maybe a drawing and maybe a combination. And while I'm doing that, I'm sort of demonstrating my technique, but I'm also showing the why and the wherefore of it, because I'm talking about my mental process or the decision-making process that I'm going through, which I think is very, very important.